Today, the majority of mobile users use apps more than they use the internet. The modern businesses in this digital era are very familiar with mobile apps and the app development process. Almost every business owner owns a mobile app or has already started creating it. But creating an app from scratch can be a daunting task for you. And you may get highly discouraged by various factors like cost, time, team, coding, debugging, publishing, and so on. If you are curious about app development but don't know where to start with, don't worry, in this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of app development in detail. Before you start creating your own mobile app, you need to know about the app development process. Step 1. Requirement analysis. Before you start creating your own app from the scratch, ask yourself a few questions such as: what is the aim of your mobile app? What are the industries you want to target? How will you market your app and generate revenue? Every app starts with an idea. Your idea needs to be viable. Write down your idea, the features that you want, and how your application will work. You can even use the idea to build a minimum viable product, MVP, instead, which enables you to understand whether you are on the right track or not. If there are already similar apps available offering exactly what you intend, then you may revise your plan and find some unique features that stand out from competitors' apps. Step 2. Wireframing. The next step is to get an advantage from your wireframing to build your app functionalities on board and to bring a little more clarity. The wireframe is a visual guide that represents the skeletal framework of an application. It is a rough sketch of your idea, which helps you and your team to understand how your application will work and look like. Step 3. UI UX design. UI UX is a significant part of the app because it is something that will make your app look spellbinding and will attract the users. UI looks at the entire presentation, graphics, and the design of your app, while UX focuses on how end users can engage with your app with ease. You need to hire an app designer to create the user interface, or you can opt for various online designing tools that allow you to choose a template and customize it by yourself. Step 4. App development. Once you have finalized the design and technology strategy, it is now time to engage with the designers and developers so that they can bring your wireframes into the real world and get the app developed. Step 5. Testing. Once the development phase is completed, real-world testing should be the next step. Testing is an integral part of the development process. All the major issues that an application faces can be resolved through successful mobile app testing. Types of mobile app testing: functionality testing, compatibility testing, usability testing, security testing, and load testing. Step 6. Publish the app. Publishing the app is the most important aspect of the development process. Once the software has been fully tested, you can finally publish it. To publish a mobile app, it requires submitting your app to the app stores. Apple App Store for iOS apps and Google Play for Android apps. Step 7. Maintenance and enhancement. Maintenance service is required to maintain the application working properly. It ensures the seamless and bug-free working of any mobile app. Enhancement includes adding and updating the features and functionalities in the existing app for a better user experience. Thanks for watching. If you still have any queries in building an app, reach out to us and talk to us about your requirements. Our expert team will guide you through the process of app development.